Hey Samir, so I'll give you a summary of what we have done, and I hope that after this things will be much more clearer. So this is the admin dashboard. You're already familiar with it because you have already used it. So here we have star rewards. Uh, Please mind that this name star could be replaced by the word token because in the game we already have a star system. That is, if the player performs well, they get 3 stars, then 2, or and then 1. So it might be confusing to use the word stars. Um, anyway, so we have these rewards here. I have placed like 2 rewards here just to test things out, and I have put a low cost here like 50 and 100. So if I get into it, you can see that here's the name of the reward, here's the cost. It means that how many tokens or stars it will require to buy this item, and then here's the image URL. So uh, the image actually lives in this link. uh, we have 2 rewards here. You can add more using this like add star rewards button, and then like fill in this form, and then clicking on save. I can also like edit the rewards that I have provided here. Now here we can see what are the players we have and how many stars they've collected. So after we completed the stars integration, we basically have like these 4 users with different amount of stars. In this user purchased rewards, you will see that the users that have already purchased the rewards, and it's up to you now or an admin to basically grant the reward and then set the status from pending to granted and then save. Yeah, so that about wraps it up on the admin dashboard. So here's the game window. Whenever an user is registered, as you can see that currently we have an user ID here. That means this user is registered. They can go into the buy rewards, and basically the images will get loaded up, and the cost and the name, everything is basically pulled from this dashboard. Now you can see that we have at the moment 300 tokens here. So what that means is that I can buy any of these two. So just to show you how it looks like, I'll buy this. It shows me a confirmation panel. I'll say I'll buy, and the purchase was granted, and it basically tells the user that they should keep an eye on the email because you are going to send the reward through email. So I have now 200 tokens left. Let me buy again and again. So I have 0 now. Now if I try to buy, it says that like not enough tokens. Keep playing to earn more tokens. Okay, cool. At the moment, after completing every level, the user is getting 100 tokens. So which means it means that like this dashboard here, like the rewards are basically very cheap, and it's only cheap just to help us test out the game. So you can basically, we can put 20,000 here and then save and so on and so forth. And after the test starts, like after we start to get users, if we feel like that we are giving out a lot more rewards than we would like, we can basically get into this, uh, edit these rewards to increase their costs. That's about that about wraps it up. So do let me know if you have any questions. I have attached the build with the order completion, and looking forward to your thoughts.